So you can definitely replace your aging digester cover and add gas storage at the same time. If you're replacing your fixed steel digester cover, then you're definitely going to get a lot more gas storage with a dual membrane gas holder. If you're replacing a gas holding steel cover, you're going to be getting 2 to 3 times the amount of gas storage that you were getting before with your new dual membrane gas holder. Some of the best advantages of retrofitting your digester cover onto an existing tank are the savings in money, time, and the environmental costs if you're looking at being better to the environment as a plant. So we're able to reuse concrete tanks. Some of the most important parts of this are to make sure that your tank is gas tight, especially where you used to rely on a liquid seal. You're now going to need to make sure that the inside of the concrete tank is coated, as well as a steel tank. We can retrofit on the steel tanks. And the time saved is incredible. If your tank already exists, installation for the dual membrane gas holder is just 2 to 3 weeks. So you have your teardown time for your existing cover and then the 2 to 3 weeks for your new cover. So you're definitely able to save a lot and make your project happen if you're reusing a tank. One of the most successful and well-referenced projects for us right now in anaerobic digestion at WesTech is the project that happened in Cortland, New York. The town of Cortland was enticing yogurt manufacturers into the area, but they needed to amp up their wastewater treatment plant to be able to receive some industrial strength waste. And so we were able to work with them to reuse their existing tanks and increase their gas storage so they're able to capture the large amount of biogas that's now being produced because of their high strength waste. And what's even better is they're able to capture this biogas, use it to power their plant, and then also put electricity back into the system. So they're actually earning money on top of saving money.